Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Instagram Reels like a pro. To create Reels videos, open the Instagram mobile app and tap the plus icon at the bottom. Select Reel and then follow the steps below to record original footage or upload existing video clips. Before you start recording, choose the timing for your reel. By default, reels are typically set to 15 seconds. To make yours as long as 90 seconds, tap the timing button in the left-hand menu and choose another option. Next, set up your shot and tap the camera button in the lower right corner to make sure it's facing the right direction. Then, choose from another of Reels layouts, effects, and speeds. Stick with the default full screen layout for Reels or tap the layout button to choose from a handful and split screen option. Record content at the default 1x speed. Tap the speed button to make your footage display faster or slower. Film without filters or tap the sparkle icon to choose from the many in-app special effects. If you want to film against a green screen, for example, you find it here. When you're ready to begin filming, tap the timer icon in the left-hand menu. Set the length for the clip you want to record and select a countdown timer. The countdown timer will start right away, and the app will automatically start and stop recording based on the time you chose. If you plan to film multiple Reels clips that show transitions, like style changes or adding more people or objects to the frame, use Instagram built-in transitions effects. Before you film a clip that includes a transition, tap the sparkle icon above the record button. Then, go to the Reels tab and choose one of the transition effects. Toward the end of the clip, do the gesture that triggers the effect and end the clip. When you set up the next clip, use Instagram built-in alignment option to create seamless transitions and continuity with the previous clip. It's also helpful to use the timer to give yourself time to get to the right spot and set up the shots before you start recording. After filming the first clip, tap the align button to turn on the feature, and then line up your shot before recording. You can continue to record or add clips until you've reached the time limit you set. If you've already produced one or more clips for your reel, you can easily upload existing content instead of or in addition to newly recorded video. To access your existing video clips, tap the camera roll in the lower left corner. Then browse your device folders and select the clips you want to feature. You can add as many clips as you like until you reach the time limit for your reels. Keep in mind that published reels display in a full screen format. Whether you plan to create reels using only pre-made video footage or combine it with newly recorded reels videos. It's always a good idea to make sure any existing content has a 9:16 aspect ratio. In many cases, you may want to focus exclusively on video clips, but you also have the option to add photo to your reels. With one or more photos, you can design slideshows or create separation between video clips. To add photos to your reels, repeat the same workflow used to add existing video clips. Tap your camera roll in the lower left corner and select photo you want to include. Then tap Add in the upper right corner. By default, Reels displays photo for 5 seconds each. Note that any photos you upload will display as a still image in your published Reels. Once you're done, you can save the video to your device to publish later. You can also share the Instagram directly from InShot, making publishing your reel as seamless as possible. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.